we have a feeling, at least some of us, that it's not necessary, nor does it serve a legitimate, legal, protective service.
Would you indulge me, because I want to go back to what occurred 9/11, and which has some bearing on this. Before 9/11, there was an individual by the name of Khalid al-Mihdhar who came to be one of the principal hijackers. He was being tracked by the intelligence agencies in the Far East. They lost track of him. At the same time, the intelligence agencies had identified an al-Qaeda safe house in Yemen. They understood that al-Qaeda safe house had a telephone number, but they could not know who was calling into that particular safe house. We came to find out afterwards that the person who had called into that safe house was al-Mihdhar, who was in the United States in San Diego. If we had had this program in place at the time, we would have been able to identify that particular telephone number in San Diego.
I'm almost out of time.
I understand, but I ask indulgence just to finish because it's a critical point as to why we have this program and how important it is.
All right.
If we had the telephone number from Yemen, we would have matched it up to that telephone number in San Diego, got further legal process, identified al-Mihdhar. One last point. The 9/11 Commission itself indicated that investigations or interrogations of al-Mihdhar, once he was identified, could have yielded evidence of connections to other participants in the 9/11 plot. The simple fact of their detention could have derailed the plan. In any case, the opportunity was not there.
Well,
if we had had this program, that opportunity would have been there.
Mr.